Get ready with me, my simple makeup routine. MsSassyPat. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this very cute look. On a clean face, I'm using my Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer. My eyebrow brush. I'm just going to comb my brows. Then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. The key is to have a sharpened point. Now I'm going to define my eyebrows. I'm not the best, but I'm getting better. Now I'm going to comb them in. Now I'm going to do the other side. Now I'm really not that good at matching them, so they're more like distant cousins than twins. But I still think they look pretty good. There you go. So now I'm taking my ColourPop noFilter Concealer. I'm just going to put some underneath my eyes. This just to give my eyes a little bit of a pop. Using my ColourPop brush, I'm just going to blend it in my skin. I'm using concealer, but if you want, you can use your own foundation to cover your face. Now I'm using some blush. It's so beautiful. I'm going to use the color Neo. Using my RayeRaye brush, I'm going to put a little of the blush on the brush. And put it on my eyelids. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going to put it on my cheek and do the other side. So I'm just going to put a little more. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced eyeliner pencil to line my eyes. I just think it gives my eyes a little more life. I'm not sure if I'm doing it the correct way, but do whichever way works best for you. Now I'm using my Too Faced mascara. And I'm going to put some on my eyelashes. I think it looks super good. Now I'm going to put some more of the ColourPop concealer underneath my eyes. And I just think it brightens my eyes. This is an optional step. Now I'm going to take my Victoria's Secret lip gloss and add it to my lips. What do you think? So pretty. And that's it. This is the final look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.